This is a recipe for using leftover turkey, whether it be the brown or white meat, and it also incorporates any leftover turkey gravy. It's my version of easy Bombay potatoes. So first off, we have a cooked potato that we leave cool and we can slice in half, so they're ready just to go straight into the tray. We have an onion which we're going to finely slice, a couple of apples. The nice sour green apples are the better ones to give it a nice tartness to the dish. And just take a little paring knife, nip the ends and the core out, and then we just simply slice them into wedges into the dish. We've got some chicken schmaltz, can be replaced with a little oil if not available. Some madras curry paste. I got this from my local spice merchant. It's readily available in most shops, or you may have your own favourite recipe to make. And don't forget that oil that's in there, because it all adds to the flavour. A pinch of sea salt. So once I've mixed this up, we're going to transfer to a preheated oven, 200 degrees fan, 220 no fan, for approximately 20 to 25 minutes until the onions and the potatoes are golden brown. Bombay potato mix is now roasted. It's got beautiful golden caramelised colour on there. The next stage, we're going to add our shredded turkey, which we have brown and white. It's not too important whether you have a little bit of turkey or a lot of turkey, just whatever you got left over can go into this. So we mix this into here, give it a little stir around, and this is just going to go back in the oven for a final 4 or 5 minutes. Make sure that the turkey is thoroughly hot and all the flavours are married together. Okay, Bombay potatoes ready. So finishing touches, we'll add a squeeze of lime and lots of either freshly chopped coriander or this micro coriander cress, which I absolutely love. It's got a beautiful supple taste to it. And this is now ready to serve. It goes beautifully alongside a winter salad dressed with lemon, honey and olive oil. And as simple as that, something alternative for your leftover turkey.